Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another trade recap. Today we took 3 trades, lost one, won 2 of them, and pretty much done for the day. Today's price action is fairly violent and choppy, so not going to press the gas pedal too hard. And with that said, go ahead and like and subscribe, follow me on Twitter, and let's get on with the explanation of the trades. So starting off at pre-market here, you see that I took a first trade here and it was a loss, very quickly prompted out here on the second candle. I was looking at the 5-minute in pre-market and a 5-minute inversion, which basically held because, as you know, inversions and fair value gaps, you want to look at the candle bodies rather than the wicks, but that doesn't necessarily give us a very good target because when we place our stop loss, it's kind of here nor there because you can get wicked out like this, but on the 5-minute, this inversion is playing out. It's starting to invert here. So quickly out, the second trade was a winner. It was still basically the same thesis as the first trade. I saw it come back down. I saw the 5-minute still respecting it, did not close above. So I took it here on the 1-minute chart and all the way down to my target right about here. So right near the breaker area, but a little less because I wasn't fully confident that it'll go all the way down. Anyways, the price moves on. This was very sporadic, this area right here. Okay, because we just within one frame just clipped all the way down here, and then all of a sudden we gapped up and started trading up here, and then we went all the way down. It was very volatile. Not sure what was going on here, what kind of news or what kind of reaction this was from, but I'm glad I decided to stay out. After the first 2 trades, I was pretty much done with the day. I didn't want to push the trades anymore, but I still wanted to see if a good trade comes around. We do have a gap all the way to the downside, a opening gap right here. So overnight, as futures opened up, it gapped up, and we also have a 1-hour inversion down here. So these are really good draws on liquidity. I just don't know exactly when we will reverse. So with all that said, I was looking at price form. It's pushing higher, and then starting to come down here. So as it's coming down on the 5-minute bullish gap, I was thinking take a quick 1-to-1 down to the previous 5-minute that I took the first 2 trades off of. And as you can see, it came right down to it, bounced right off. And the reason I'm taking shorts is because you can see that we have a gap, a overnight gap below us. So I was thinking, we could probably come down here, and preemptively took it. But as you can see, it bounced back up. So that was pretty much it. 2 of 3, pretty short day. With that said, take care, and I'll see you guys on the next one.